Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to remove unwanted spaces from text. In this Excel file, we have few product descriptions where we have extra spaces. We can use trim formula to remove these extra spaces, but we can use flash fill to remove these extra spaces as well. Let's type the description without unwanted space. Press enter. Now select this cell and press Ctrl E. You can see all the unwanted spaces will be removed. This will work exactly like the trim function. So by using this flash fill, we can remove the unwanted spaces from the text. Thank you so much for watching this video.